Hi friends, today we are going to learn tense. Let's start a tense. Simple present tense. This formula is subject plus V1. Example, he plays cricket. Present continuous tense. Formula subject plus am is R plus V4. He is playing cricket.
Present perfect tense. Formula subject plus has plus V3. Tense. He he has played cricket. Present perfect continuous tense. Formula subject plus have has plus been plus V4. Example, he has been playing cricket.
Simple past tense. Formula subject plus V2. He played cricket.
Past continuous tense. Formula subject plus was were plus V4. Sentence, he was playing cricket. Perfect tense. Formula subject plus had plus V3. Sentence, he had played cricket. Past perfect continuous tense. Formula subject plus had plus been plus V4. Example, he had been playing cricket.
Simple future tense. Formula subject plus will plus V1. Example, I will play cricket.
Future continuous tense. Formula subject plus will be plus V4. Sentence, he will be playing cricket. Future perfect tense. Formula subject plus will have plus V3. Sentence, he will have played cricket. Future perfect continuous tense. Formula subject plus will plus have plus been plus V4. Sentence, he will have been playing cricket.